we just pulled up to the NZMCA back up in Kaiapoi again. Took the hitch off the back of the car and this dropped out. Looks like the top friction lining has snapped. So as you can see there, it's meant to be together. I have been and grabbed a new one, which actually wasn't too bad. $75 from Affordable Caravans in Christchurch. So the first things that we need to do is remove this cover, which is just clipped on either side of, just clipped on there and there. And then as you can see there's a screw. Just working from underneath, we just push that screw and there she is, she's popped out. So we just open up the new one. So the new one comes with the top and it comes with the rear, which is that one. So it's just in the back of here. So we'll have a look and see if we can actually remove that one as well today. Might as well replace them both. We don't quite have all the right tools all of the time, and especially when you're on the road. So I've just taken a quarter drive, quarter socket and put a number 30 spline drive in the end of it. We also need to remove this cover here off the two handles. There we go. So that's the cover removed. Just the one big long bolt that goes through there and through the two holes that's in the handles and screws into that one. So the next thing to do is then to remove that completely. So the big red button, just need to push that up and hold it. There we go, that's up. You can see a little notch just here and then the screw hole just there. Push it up, find the notch, okay. Well, you don't want to do that for me, eh? So push it into there. Oh, there we go. So push it into the screw hole first, find the notch, that's her up. Coming back round to the front, just pop the screw in. That's it. This handle, when it's down, that's clipped in there like that, so of course then that's clipped over your toe ball. So if you lift the handle right up, push that back, clip it in, that gives you easy access then to this screw. There's the screw, just pop that out. He says just pop that out, there we go, and that's it out. So looking at the new one's got a little groove just down here, so we line that groove up to that, push that back on, and she's home and done. So that's the new one. Popping the top cover on, you can see there that there's a couple of little slots. There's a slot in underneath there, so you just put that over, and it's actually easier with these open. That's it. So that's on at the front. You just feel a small click, and then the one at the back, just pop it over the top, and that also slots. There's a couple of little grooves in the rubber that you just work over, and that's it. So just putting the handle back on, which is here, we took off earlier just slots straight over the top, using the bolt that we took out, line it all up. That's it, lined up. And tighten her back up. All feels good. So that's us replaced the top friction linings on the ALKO AKS 3004. If you liked it, hit the like button, and if you want to see a few more, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.